Hey there, this is Rebecca. Today we're going to go over the atomic composition, but before I get started, I would like to direct your attention, if you haven't already, to learning a little bit more about where our current modern day atomic theory came from through the history of an atom, with the link attached above. If you already know the process and the experimentations and the breakthroughs that the scientists have made through time, starting from 400 BC all the way until now, let's get straight into the atomic composition. So the atom, the modern day atom that we know now of, consists of a positive center known as the nucleus and electrons that kind of orbit around that. Within an atom, there are three pieces. There are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons, as we see here, reside in the positive center of an atom. The electrons are the ones that orbit around it. Now, how do we usually show this in chemistry and in science? Protons have a positive charge. Neutrons have a neutral charge, and electrons have a negative charge. The masses of each one of them, a lot of times we use atomic mass units. Depending on the problem, some of them will have a unit and some of them will be dimensionless, and we'll go into more detail in later videos about relative atomic mass and average atomic mass. But for now, what I want you guys to know is that proton, neutron, as well as electron, have approximately the mass that you see here. And so the mass that is the approximate mass that we use now are the ones in black, and the parentheses are how we have rounded to the numbers 1 for proton, 1 for neutron, and 0 for electrons. The key here to remember is that the electrons are super light and they're really tiny, and they orbit around the center of an atom where the nucleus resides. So if you like this video and you like this content, please, as always, it would mean a lot to me if you can like or subscribe. Thank you.